Hello everyone. Today we're going to make beef tips. These are the seasonings I'm going to use. I have some bay leaves, onion powder, beef base, black pepper, and we're going to add some MSG, which is accent, and that's optional. I've got some seasoned flour here in a bag. It's all in the skillet. We're going to let this brown. So this is browning up quite nicely. I'm going to let this get just a little bit more browner. If it's not on every side, it's okay. But I want it a little bit browner than this. So let this keep cooking for another minute or so. I'll show you what we do next. So while this is continuing to brown, I'm going to go ahead and add some onion powder. The flour was already seasoned, but I want additional onion flavor. You could add onions, fresh onions if you like. That's what I use. So we're going to put a little bit of beef base. That also helps it brown. That's like a browning agent. The secret to the best beef tips are bay leaves. So I'm going to put, some of these are small. I put 3 1/2, 4 in there. We're going to add some black pepper. And then I'm going to put some accent. This is totally optional. I'm going to keep stirring this around. Then I'm going to cover this over with water. Stew meat is not a tender cut of meat, so this is going to have to simmer for at least an hour. We're going to cover it, and we're going to let it simmer. And when it's done or tender, we will adjust our seasonings at that time. Okay, so everything's incorporated. So when this meat is all the way cooked, or when it's done, we'll have gravy. So I'm going to cover this over. I'm going to reduce my heat to a medium, and I'm just going to let it simmer. If it cooks down too fast, add a little bit of water to it. Don't let it burn. But this is how we're going to cook this, on a medium heat, and I'll be back. Okay, everyone, I let this cook for about an hour. It's cooked down. You see how that gravy is? If you like your gravy thicker, just cook it down a little bit more, and you'll have thicker gravy. But we're going to remove these bay leaves, and it's ready to eat. Beef tips and rice shell. I simmered this down for about an hour. Those bay leaves are the secret ingredient in how you batter your meat and brown it before you boil it. That makes your gravy. Try this and you can thank me later.